Asian Americans must be in the rooms where the decisions are being made. Because when policies reflect our experiences, our collective experiences, our perspectives, I am certain of one thing: our country is stronger. We have the work in front of us that we are doing just this very evening to support the AAPI Victory Fund, knowing that it mobilizes and turns out voters, and that work could not be more important in this moment.